up, my YouTube people? Thanks for coming back to see just what I do today. Hope you're having a great day today. If you didn't know, my name is Stacy, and this is my channel. Tuesday's videos, who knows what you might get. Friday, Sunday, Wednesday videos, you get trips of the Colorado mountains. If you didn't know that, and gobble, you are way too close. This is my flock. If you want to see more, you might want to subscribe and whack my like thingy. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything. But for now, my chickens are bored. And we're going to see if we can remedy that today. And go get some stuff to add into here to make them not so bored anymore. Because when they're bored, they tend to pick on each other. And picking on each other is not what I want. And when they're bored, they're also noisy. So, I'm going to go load up some dogs. I'm going to only load up 2. Cab's not big enough for all 6 of them. But for now, I'm going to load up some dogs and go get some free stuff to add into here so everybody's not so bored. Right, Gobble? Close up a Gobble. Want to see yourself? No? Not intrigued? Alright. Leave me alone, Gobble. So here we go. Let's go pick up some free stuff. So everybody's not so bored anymore, and we'll shut up. Why are you showing off? Hopefully you can hear him drumming. I'll try to turn it up and hopefully you can catch it. Drum one more time. Alright, here we go. Let's go get some stuff to make them not so bored. Well, here's what we're here to get. Yes, it's not the greatest, but hey, they're gonna crap and pee on it anyways. What's the difference? So we're going to load up as much as we can into the back of the truck. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll show you that when we're done. And maybe afterwards we'll go wandering and see what we see. So we're gonna get busy and get a bunch of that into there, so the chickens aren't so bored. Because they'll pick through this and go nuts over this and have fun. So we're going to get busy and get this done. Well, we've got a truckload and a half. Now it's alfalfa, it's hay, it's wood shavings, it's horse poo, cow poo, who knows. Doesn't matter. Chickens will enjoy the crap out of it. And also crap on it. But now that we got a truckload full, if I could talk. Now, what do you think of that, Boogie? Shall we go exploring? Go see what else we can show to peoples? Because we've been here before, and there's always something to see. So let's go on the far side where it's a little more wild. See if we see some ducks or pelicans or something, and I'll show y'all. And then eventually, we'll get all that home and start dumping it in the chicken yard. And they'll just go nuts and not be bored anymore. So let's go see what else we can see, huh? Okay, shall we? Oh, it's toasty today, huh? That's a good thing, not a bad thing. Yeah? Should we get 2 toasties? Okay, let's go. Well, we pretty much filled the run. Completely full. My little yappers are out here with me finally. But They can still get to their water dish. All this will be knocked down quicker than you think. There's hay in here, there's alfalfa, there's flowers, there's wood shavings, there's rocks, there's all kinds of stuff in here, but it doesn't matter. It'll give them something to do so they are not bored anymore and picking on each other. There was also some really fine, nice alfalfa we found that I threw in with the rabbits. So they're enjoying the heck out of that. So now the only thing left to do is to open the door, let them out, and they can go running. So yeah, so let's do that real quick because I'm hot, I'm filthy, I'm tired, have to go take a shower. But for now, let's open that door and see what they think of it all. So, as you can see, they're making happy chicken noises. There! So this should keep them busy for quite a while, hopefully, where they're not picking on each other so much anymore. And it's mating season, so of course they all look a little funny. And then also, the ducks try to mate with the chickens, and this makes it a little harder for them to chase them. They end up stumbling over it instead, so they have a chance to get away. So, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to close out this video. Thanks for watching Just What I Do. Whack my like thingy, and please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I definitely will answer them. But for now, I'm going to leave these chickens to what they do best, which is making a mess of all of this. Yeah, they are enjoying the heck out of it. No more bored chickens. Well, they'll have this all knocked down pretty soon. I guess that's gonna call it for this video. Happy chickens now. And a turkey that's kind of got me backed into a corner. This chicken run is bigger than it looks. It's got me backed into a corner. And all kinds of happy chickens, happy ducks. That was the whole point. But again, thanks for watching Just What I Do. Whack my like thingy. Subscribe. Help me hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year is my biggest goal. Can't seem to get out of the 700s. One day I'll be over 800 and something. Next day I'm back down to 782 or something. It's a little annoying. But anyways, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you next time on Just What I Do. Right, Gobble? Want to say hi? What, you don't want to say hi now? Are you being shy? Turkey close up? Yeah. Yes, you're very fancy. Okay. Later, taters. Oh, and there's some howling hooligans. There's a honey howling hooligan and a daisy. Where's a bear? Where's my bear? Oh, there's my bear. There's my bear. He's a happy bear. What? What do you got to say? Nothing? No? Still nothing. Okay. There's a bunny again. Okay. Later, taters. This is what's left of that truckload. 13 wheelbarrows full in with the chicken run. And here's the rest of it. We'll get spread out between the quail and a bunch of other projects. But for now, thanks for watching. There's a big bear. Big bear. Big bear, big bear. Big bear, big bear. There's the sweet little howling hooligans, huh? My littles, you know, go puppies. There's a cool bear. My alligator's not out here yet. Okay, later, taters. Thanks for watching. Say subscribe. I'm super cute. Later, taters.